Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see another DAX function, that is date add. So basically date add, where we can either add the dates or subtract the dates from point of from day, month, quarter, year. So firstly we will see the data, what exactly we have the data. So we have the some players data and their respective runs and their on which date they have scored the runs. So let's see dates add, right? Firstly what we will do, just I will add the table, and there just increase the size of table little bit. Now I add the players and their date, or firstly we will add the runs and date. So date I will just remove the date hierarchy, day, month I also remove, and year, quarter. So now we have the each player runs from 2020 till the 2022. So but what we want to see the how many runs particular player has scored last year, or like -1 or -2 -3, whatever the condition we have. Either we can go 2 year back or 2 year up. So let's see the practically. So date add is a filter function, so mostly we need to use that with the calculate. So date add we can't use directly, so we need to use with the calculate. So now I will just create the new measure. Date add will return the single value, so I will click on the new measure. Now I will give the DAX name as a date add. Date add. Date add. Now calculate first. So what we want, we will just give the sum of runs, right? And I will close. So as I mentioned, date add is a filter function. So mostly filter function we use with the calculate. Now we need to give the our date column. So in our table we have the date column or date. So we are giving the date. So because we have the date. Now what we want, suppose we want 1 year back and interval. So either we can give the day, month, quarter, year. So here I will just give the year, right? And just click on the yes. Now we want to see the last year or last year runs. Now we just increase the size values for the, and here I will give the 18. So now you can see the, or you can give, I will give the 20, and header also I will just increase the size of header also as a 20. So now we can see we have the runs for the Dhoni 2000, for the 20 it have the runs 110. So now I will just drag and drop that our new measure that we created date add, and there we want to see the last year runs or -1. We mentioned the -1. So now you can see 2020 we have the 110. So here we mentioned we want to see the last year run. So here current year is 21 and last year is 20. So here also we can see for the last year 125. So 125, and here also you can see last year Sikar 2021 we have 199 run. So here it's showing last year. So now we will create, like we will see another example there we just add the year. So now we are subtracting the year, so we will add the year. I will just copy the existing measure and click on the new measure. New measure. It's taking some time, wait for a couple of seconds. Now date add, here I give the 1 as a our DAX new DAX name, and here I will just give the remove the 1 and minus sign, comma, and we want year. right? Now I'll click on the yes. So wait for 2 seconds. Now it's done. I will just drag and drop our new major date one, date add one, right? And here now you can see for the next year, for the 20 we have the 110, but we want next year. So 21 we have 125. Here also next year 67. So here we don't have the next year for the 22, so that's why it's showing the blank. And here you can see next for 21 we have the 117 for the next year run for the Shikar. So that's all about the date add tax function in Power BI. So if you have any question, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.